my name is Grayson, and welcome to our 13th week of Hauppauge Public Library's Toddler STEM Kit videos. Today we'll be having some fun with bubbles. Let me tell you all the supplies you'll need. A pipe cleaner, a container to mix your bubbles in, some dish soap, some warm water, and some corn syrup. You'll also need your measuring tools. So let's get started mixing our bubbles. First thing, you'll need a 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Now this was actually pre-measured because it came from one of the Toddler STEM kits. So I will not be measuring it, but this is a 1/4 cup in here. I'm going to pour that into my container. I'm going to get it all in there. Moves kind of slow, so just take a moment. Once you've got your corn syrup, you're going to add 1/3 of a cup of dish soap. Let me measure that out. That was the perfect amount left in this dish soap container. I got 1/3 of a cup right there. So I'm going to pour that in. And then you'll add your 2 cups of water. Remember, the water has to be warm or it won't mix as well. And speaking of mixing, I realized I forgot something to mix my bubbles with, so I'm going to go get a spoon and I will come right back. So now I'm going to mix it all together and it'll start to blend into your bubble liquid. And now I'm going to actually show you how to make your own bubble wand using just a pipe cleaner. Alright. So what you'll do is you'll take your pipe cleaner, you're going to curve the top of it, so that way you see it starts to form a little circle there. Actually make mine a little bit smaller than that. And then you're going to twist the end around until you can't twist it anymore. So that way you have your circular shape at the end there, which then you can dip into your liquid. And hopefully, if I mixed everything right, you can blow some bubbles just like that. You can experiment with your bubble wand and see if maybe making the circle smaller or bigger will change the size of your bubbles. If you make it into a different shape instead of a circle, will you still be able to blow bubbles? There's so many different things that you can try, and I'm excited to hear what you've done. Feel free, if you have an adult helping you, to ask them to comment below and let us know what you thought about the activity. I want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching these videos and doing these activities with me for the past 13 weeks. I have had a ton of fun and I hope that you have too. And I want to also thank everybody at the library who helped to make these STEM kits into a reality, and we'll be doing it again for the spring. I am so excited, and there's going to be a lot more fun to come. Until then, I will see you all soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.